The Internet is fast changing everybody's life by introducing a way to utilize the computer never possible before. However, the text-based static presentation of information on the Internet today is certainly not going to get people excited. The profound change on the Internet will come from true interaction, not only between the web pages and their visitors, but among all Internet users. UNI Interactive has created a foundation that makes such true interaction possible, the UNI Toolkit. UNI Toolkit allows a web designer to create a virtual world where a user's persona is represented by an avatar, a figure on the computer screen. The avatar has the option of either participating or being invisible in rooms. In this flower shop, you can browse through the selection, ask for prices, or order a bouquet from the robot shopkeeper through a database interface. Educators and students can interact in this cyber classroom without leaving their own houses. A robot bartender in this cafe entertains all visitors by delivering pre-programmed messages and information. In the casino, you can gamble on the slot machine at your leisure. While in the racetrack, users from all over can place their bets on the horses and watch the result together. As a visitor to a UNI-enabled website, you can decide your mode of conversation. When you whisper, you can speak privately with a single user. You can also choose to speak in a small group. Of course, you can have your dialogue broadcast for everyone to see. There is no limit to how you can apply the UNI Toolkit to make it work for you. Its unique and advanced technology makes it stand out among competitors trying to deliver similar functionality. First, the UNI Toolkit creates sites that are easily navigable. Well-known websites such as The Palace and ISOView are strictly two-dimensional. Their images may catch your eye, but their avatar moves about in their rooms like gliding on top of a piece of postcard without any spatial connection to the background. As for the cartoon-style comic chat, users simply cannot command avatar navigation. The background scene is also limited to a handful of predefined sets. In three-dimensional virtual worlds such as World Chat or Black Sun, the amount of information required to process each avatar movement is very large, which makes navigation in these environments slow and unresponsive. The UNI Toolkit crossed the barrier between 2D and 3D by adding a layered texture to the 2D space. When users move about the rooms, they get a sense of being in a 3D space. There is always a foreground and a background, and the avatars move around objects. Second, users do not need to download any code. Most 3D or avatar-based software products require a download and setup process, which discourages most users because it's always lengthy and time-consuming. Take the Palace, for example. Their proprietary viewer is 3.2 megabytes and takes as long as 25 minutes to download. The 3D World Chat proprietary browser is 5 megabytes in size. To download the Black Sun plugin not only takes more than 20 minutes, but also requires the use of a Netscape browser. People are asking, why is it so difficult to get into these places? You don't need to download anything to visit the UNI virtual world. The toolkit is written in Java, which means that the UNI world can be built on any computer platform and accessed by any major net browser. There is no need for plugins, software downloads, or proprietary browsers. Users always find visiting the UNI world a hassle-free and exciting experience. Third, the UNI world is extremely easy to set up. All avatar-based environments and VRML-based environments require tedious coding and implementation processes. For example, the Palace requires website developers to use a special design language to create rooms. In Comic Chat, websites must use a set of pre-programmed backgrounds and avatar images instead of creating their own. In ISOView, developers must learn to use editors to write codes conforming to ISOView's special format. In World Chat, developers need to purchase a very cumbersome software called Active World Development Kit to create their rooms, while in Black Sun, a special software program must also be used to call up the room's functions. The process is always cumbersome and tedious. The UNI Toolkit, on the other hand, uses simple drag-and-drop features to construct rooms. It involves no programming language. Other than providing developers with a complete set of building templates, UNI Toolkit also allows website developers to create their own background, including the use of their own photographs, which can be scanned into their computers. Through simple program design, users can also create layers and objects. The UNI Toolkit also provides applets to further enhance the interaction between the website and its visitors, such as this whiteboard in the classroom and the slot machine in the casino. 4. UNI World is context sensitive. For a website to be popular, it must provide contents. However, most avatar-based environments and VRML virtual worlds miss the mark. Different rooms in Palace, ISOView, World Chat, and Black Sun are simply different visual images. The communication taking place in these environments have no way to interact with the context provided by these websites. Visitors usually run out of things to say right after they say hello to each other. The advanced interface built into UNI Toolkit allows users in different rooms to engage in different activities, such as discussing academic topics in the classroom or betting on the horses in the racetrack. Developers can even address their specific needs by adding their own applets and robots. People will spend more time in UNI-enabled websites because they will find more interesting things to do and meaningful things to talk about. The UNI Toolkit breaks the mode of current World Wide Web communication and makes it possible for everyone to benefit from this interactive environment. Whatever the need, be it education, finance, commerce, or entertainment, website developers can utilize the UNI Toolkit to create virtual world environments that are highly interactive as well as intellectually stimulating. If you wish to know more about the UNI Toolkit and UNI Interactive Incorporated, the company, please contact us anytime.